الله الرحمن الرحيم.
What to make a task easy and finish it with a good ending. Rabbi yassir wa la tuassir wa tammim bil khair.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you all are doing great at your homes. So this is me, Duazi, from The Educators for Class, and this video is for class 4 English. Okay, so class, take out your books, Oxford Reading Circle for class 4, page number 41. In the previous video class, we have studied this poem, Paper Boats. It was a story of a boy who floated his paper boats one by one. He write his name and the name of his village in the paper boats. He, in a hope that someone will find with these paper boats and know who the poet is, he loaded his boat with tulip flowers, which are present in his garden, and he hopes that someone in the strange world will find his paper boats and race with his boats. So in the previous class we have done the exercise A. Today we will do the exercise B, reference to context. Read these lines from the poem, then answer the questions. Hope that these blooms of the dawn will be carried safely. So it's a line of the poem. Now read the first question. Which blooms is the poet speaking of? The poet is speaking of the blooms Shuli flowers. So the answer is Shuli. What are the blooms and how did they get there? Where are the blooms? The blooms are in the poet garden. They loads them into the paper boat. Where are the blooms? The blooms are in the poet garden. How did they get there? How did they get in the boat? So he loads the shuli flowers into the paper boats. How and to where does the poet hope these blooms will be carried? The poet hopes that the blooms will be carried safely to the land at night. So do these three questions in your copy. Now come to page number 44. Exercise C. Read the question. What is the difference between the words in each list on the next page? The first is stream, river, brook, rivulet. There are 4 words. Each word has a different meaning. You have to write the meaning of each word. You have to do this in your copy. Okay, so exercise C. You have to do this in your copy. Question number 1. There are 3 list of words and you have to differentiate each word from one another. The first list is stream, river, brook and rivulet. So what is a stream? A stream is a body of running water. And what is a river? River is a large body of water flowing to the sea. Third word, brook. A brook is a small stream that crosses between 2 other bodies of water. And what is a rivulet? A rivulet is a small stream. Now the list B. There are 4 words: paper, cardboard, card and parchment. What is a paper? A paper is a sheet for writing made of wood pulp. Cardboard is a hard paper. And then the card is a small piece of hard paper, and the last one is parchment, old manuscript. What is a manuscript? A manuscript is a document typed or written that is not published yet. Okay, now the third list has 4 words: load, weight, cargo and burden. What is mean by load? Load is a burden. What is weight? Weight is the heaviness of an object. How heavy is an object? Cargo, goods that are carried by ship. What are the goods? Goods are the things that can be bought, sold and used. Goods are the things that can be touched and seen. What is mean by burden? Burden means heavy load. Okay, now again come to the book, page number 44. Exercise C, as I told you on board, you have to do this in your copy. Now come to exercise 2. Find the flowers. They begin with the letter R, P, P, L, J and M. There are some jumbled words and you have to find the flowers from them. S-O-R-E, rose. P-Y-P-P-O, poppy. Third one, uplit, tulip. Fourth one, lotus, jasmine and marigold. So these are the flowers that you find from these jumbled words. Now come to the question number 3. Find the odd one in each set. There are 4 sets and you have to find the odd ones from each. Brook, stream, dam, river and rivulet. As I told you the meaning of all these words, so dam is the odd one in these 4 words. Next one, merry, happy, joyful, cheerful, tearful. These all are the happy words and tearful is the odd word. Now noise, silence, sound, racket, din. So in all these silence is the odd word. Cherry, mango, plum, banana, peach. In all these, banana is an odd word. So you have to do the question number 2 and 3 in your book and question number 1 in your copy. Okay, so now come to your homework. You have to do exercise B of chapter number 5 in copy. Exercise C, question number 1 and 2 in copy and question number 3 in book of chapter number 5. This is your homework. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you have understood today's class. You have enjoyed today's class. Inshallah, we will meet in our next class. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Allah